Hey friends, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Geet Study and Life. And if you had must watched my last video, then you will understood that here I said my daily routine in English. Actually, I want to improve my communication skill. That's why I shared my daily routine and in English. And if I thought if I shared my daily routine in English, then I will improve myself, and I hope it will help to others for improving themselves. Okay, and if you had must watched my last video, then you will know that yesterday I was in Haryana, but today I am in Delhi. uh, because yesterday I have not posted any video, and the reason that I have traveled, that's why. And after traveling there is lots of trouble and problems, that's why. And there is no proper time to make a video and edit and upload a video. I have gone there for 15 days. After 15 days, I come back here. Actually, my brother do not want that I should go in Delhi for celebrate the holy occasion. He want that I should live with him for celebrate the holy. After holy, he said that after holy you will go your home. But there is lots of call from my in-laws house. That's why I have to come here. I think it take 3 to 4 hours for coming Haryana to Delhi, and after leave the my brother house, I take a bus. Bus take 1 hour. After that, I traveled by the metro for 2 hours, and after 2 hours, I have again travel by bus for 15 minutes. After that, I come back to my in-laws house, and it is the time when I reach there at 7 p.m. Okay, after coming here, I take rest for 10 or 20 minutes and change myself and feel relaxed. After that, I helped in the kitchen because when I came here, they are preparing the dinner and I helped some. After having the dinners, they go to their bed and I also come back to my bed on 10 p.m. 10:15. Okay, and in the morning I woke up, and after woke up I freshen up, and after that I watched to post podcast videos. And in the first time, actually I want two videos, but the first video I was 2 time, and the second video also I was 2 time. That's reason that first time I watch the video and understand what is in the video, and in the second time I was the video, and I imitating that's how they pronunciate the words, and I also saying that words, because at this type I will improve my pronunciation. Okay, and if you copy and if you imitating any person who are speaking, then you will understand that you are trying to improve your pronunciation, and I am also doing that. Actually, if I want to improve my communication skill, then I had also need that I should improve my pronunciation. If I do not improve my pronunciation, then there is no matter what I have learned and what I have do, because only improve your communication, it doesn't matter. With your communication, with your speaking, you have also improve your pronunciation, and you have also improve your accent, because there is lots of member who speak in English, but they don't know how to pronunciate the words. Actually, I have also done lots of mistake, and I also sometimes I also said the wrong pronunciation. That's why. And there is the lots of accent, like when you said calcium, there are lots of people who don't know, and I also don't know how to pronunciate the calcium. Actually, first time when I watched the video, that I watched the video of Sandeep Maheshwari sir, There is Alina ma'am, and when Alina ma'am said that this is the people, there are lots of people who pronunciate the calcium, and this is the wrong pronunciation. Then Sandeep sir said that actually I don't know. I also don't know that what the pronunciation, and I am also don't know that what is the pronunciation. It's very right, and I am trying to set that words, but I think I can't say in a clear way. And let's come on my topic. And after seeing two postcards, I have completed all my household chores, and after completing all my household chores, I come to back my room, and I arrange my bed and the I arrange my bed and other things. After that, I wash my clothes and I have done other things. And then I take 1 hour rest, and taking rest, I slept for 1 hour. Okay, now it's time for my lunch, and we all are having our lunch. After having lunch, they go to their room, and I am in my room, and I watched lots of video of a English postcards, and watching them, and I was that and understand that after that I am here for recording this video. And I know I have done lots of mistake, but I think you forget it. And if uh, if I have not done any mistake, then I cannot improve myself. And कहते हैं ना, गलतियाँ करके ही सीखी जाती हैं. That's why I am trying to improve myself. And when I had done a mistake in this video, and I was this video in last, and I will improve myself in the next video. From today's video, I learned 4 or 5 words. Actually, it words are new for me. I know it's not new for you. I know it will be not new for you, but it's new for me because actually I know the what I know what the exact meaning of these words. And first word is pros and cons. Pros and cons means होता है disadvantage and disadvantage. What is the first meaning? First word, pros and cons. It means advantage and disadvantage. And the second word is exposure. What is the second word? Exposure. It means unveiling. It means unveiling. And the third word is rely on. The third word is rely on. It means trust on anyone. It means trust on anyone. And next word is the next word is mutual. It means reciprocal. The next word is mutual. It means reciprocal. And the last word is heals. It means recover. Okay, and I think it's enough for today's. And if I have done any mistake, please forget it. And please, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And now we will meet in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, radhe radhe.